یک ریشه تاریخی داره، یعنی از امروز شروع نشده و امروز ما سعی میکنیم بخشی از اون مسائلی که در جریان هست اینجا صحبت بکنیم به شکل تاریخی، به شکل مختصر. بعد در رابطه با جنبشی که در اونجا در حال شکل گرفته هست، بیشتر رهبری زنان بلوچ هست، دکتر مهرنگ که بازداشت شده، در دکتر مهرنگ یه سری صحبت خواهیم کرد. بعد نوبت سوال و جواب هم میرسه. دوستان که اگر سوالی دارن، صحبت دارن، میشه صحبت کرد.
من شما را به شما وضعیت پیام دیوان بلوچی شما منتوارم، شما وقتی وقت هشت جهت دام ما در رابطه همشه که محوریت مبراد گوشت بشیدن در رابطه بلوچستانه و زبانان مختلف، هم انگلیسی، هم دانمارکی، هم فارسی، هم بلوچی. باز منتوارم.
سلام. من از خانی میراشایی میخوام بیا اینجا در رابطه با دکتر مهرنگ صحبتی دارم بفرمایم، بعد برنامه رو دوباره ادامه.
I will speak in English about the background of why Dr. Mehreng got arrested. The arrest of Dr. Mehreng growing human crisis in Balochistan. On March 2025, Dr. Mehreng, a well-known human rights activist and a leader of Baluchi Solidarity Committee, was arrested by the Pakistani government during a peaceful protest in Quetta. Her arrest has raised serious concerns about the ongoing human rights violation and enforced disappearance happening in Balochstan, a region that has suffered greatly from state violation. So why did Mehreng fight for justice? Dr. Mehreng is a strong advocate for the rights of Baloch people, working hard to stop enforced disappearance and killing carried out by the state forces. Her commitment to the cause is personal. Her father, Gafar Baloch, was a well-known activist who was repeatedly arrested and eventually executed by Pakistan intelligence. This painful story has fueled her determination to fight for justice and has made her a symbol of hope for many Baloch individuals. Dr. Mehren's activism takes place in a troubling context. Over the last 20 years, around 5,000 people have been forcibly disappeared by security forces, many of whom have never been seen again. In 2014, a mass grave was discovered in Huzdai, revealing the bodies of numerous Baloch individuals who was abducted and killed. Additionally, in 2024, security forces killed and at least 5 Baloch protesters in Kerdin, highlighting the danger faced by those who stand up for rights. Dr. Mehren's arrest is a part of a larger pattern of human rights abuses in Balochistan. Reports indicate that she is currently in a serious condition, suffering from severe food poisoning and showing signs of extreme weakness and digestive problems. The unsanitary condition of her imprisonment and lack of proper medical care put her health and life at risk. Her family has urgently requested an independent medical review by an impartial expert to assess her condition. The action taken against Dr. Mehreng reflects a broader strategy by the Pakistani government to silence human rights defenders and Baloch activists. This systematic targeting of individuals who speak out against state abuse creates a climate of fear. The need of action. In light of this event, it is crucial for the international community to respond to the ongoing crisis in Balochistan. Staying silent in the face of such serious violation makes one complicit with the oppressors. Human rights organizations, foreign government, and civil society must advocate for the immediate release of of Dr. Mehreng and other political prisoners. They must also demand accountability for the ongoing enforced disappearance and killing in the region. The arrest of Dr. Mehreng highlights the ongoing struggle for human rights in Balochstan. As a leading advocate for justice, her situation underscores the urgent need for action against repression faced by Baloch activists. The international community must support those fighting for their rights and demand an end to the cycle of violence and impunity that has been long affected this marginalized region.
Vi er samlet i dag for at fordømme anholdelsen og undertrykkelse af balochiske aktivister i Pakistan. Vi fordømmer den systematiske undertrykkelse af balochiske aktivister i Pakistan. Aktivister som blandt andet Mehreng Baloch, Sabir Baloch, Rosati Baloch og mange flere. Det bliver chikaneret, fængslet og truet blot fordi de kæmper for deres folks rettigheder og råber op om uretfærdigheden. De pakistanske regering bruger metoder som kollektiv afstraffelse og politisk afstraffning. Aktivisternes familiemedlemmer bliver taget som gidsler. Det er ikke nyt. Det er desværre en velkendt strategi. Når nogen taler højt om tvunget forsvindelser, vold og diskrimination, så straffer staten ikke kun dem, men også deres familie. Formålet er tydeligt at få dem til at tie. Vi kræver øjeblikkelig betingelsesløs løsladelse af de fængslede balochiske aktivister, stop for kollektiv afstraffelse og chikane mod deres familie, respekt for basale menneskerettigheder, ytringsfrihed, retssikkerhed og retten til fredelig protest. Den pakistanske regering må begynde at lytte i stedet for at undertrykke. At kæmpe fredeligt for retfærdigheden er ikke en forbrydelse, det er en menneskeret. Vi opfordrer det internationale samfund og menneskerettighedsorganisationer til at handle stillhed for denne undertrykkelse ikke er medskyldige. Vi står i solidaritet med de balochiske aktivister og deres familie. Vi giver ikke op. Vi kæmper videre for retfærdighed, frihed og menneskelig værdighed.
And I will share a statement on behalf of Branch Organization. Condemning the arrest and repression of Baloch activists in Pakistan. We as human rights group and activists strongly condemn the arrest and mistreatment of Baloch activists, especially Dr. Mehreng and Samidin Baloch. These activists work hard for human rights, fight against enforced disappearance of Baloch people, and seek justice for their community. Their dedication has made them target for an unjust system in Pakistan. The arrest and harassment of Dr. Mehreng and Samidin Baloch and other Baloch activists are clear violation of human rights. This shows that Pakistani government does not respect democracy or basic freedoms. Baloch activists face wrongly arrest, false charges and harsh treatment just for speaking out against injustice. We demand immediate and unconditional release of Dr. Mehreng and Samidin Baloch and all others detained Baloch activists. The ongoing repression and illegal detention must stop. The right to free speech, peaceful gathering, and other basic rights for Baloch people must be respected. Instead of suppressing peaceful activism, the Pakistani government should listen to and address the Baloch people's legitimate demands. We urge the international community and human rights organizations to take urgent action against these human rights violations. The world must pressure the Pakistani government to ensure safety and freedom of Baloch activists. Staying silent in the face of this repression will only allow more abuses to happen. We stand in strong support of Dr. Mehreng Samidin Baloch and all Baloch activists fighting for their rights. Our commitment to their release and the broader fight for justice will not change. The struggle for human rights and basic freedoms continues. And we believe that justice for the Baloch people must be achieved. On behalf of Branch Organization. Thank you.